वो शिवम सुनील सर है नागपुर फ्रॉम नागपुर। वो रीशेड्यूल करने के लिए बोला था, हुआ नहीं क्या? वो प्राइवेट बता रहा है वीडियो। नहीं वही है ना, मैंने अभी अपना स्ट्रीमिंग स्टार्ट किया तो वीडियो प्राइवेट ही बता रहा है। हम्म। हेलो। हाँ चलेगा ना। ठीक है, ठीक है। So welcome guys, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. Welcome guys. So today we are going to see some control structures and then hands-on session on control structures. Okay. So before moving on, let us move to our topic, that is control structures and some examples. Before moving on to that, let us, or rather let me introduce myself. Okay, myself Sunil Manjani, 15 plus years of teaching experience, mentor thousands of students for GATE ESE semester exams. Crack PSU exams like GATE, Hall, Mahadiscom, Mahajanko, like that. Okay. Okay. So how to use Unacademy learning app? Okay, go to Play Store, Google App Store, type in Unacademy. You will be able to see this icon. Click on this, then install it. Okay. After some permission, you have to go to Unacademy learning app. In that, you go to manage goals and then click on GATE and ESC. Step 4, click on the subscription. Okay. And step 5, click on get subscription button. Step 6 will give you two choices, plus or iconic. In plus subscription, there are packages of 12 27 225 for 12 months and 39,600 for 24 months. Okay, you can get more discount if you apply my code SSM10. Okay, and for iconic subscription, 12-month package is costing 45 225 and 24-month package is costing 66,600. You can, okay, put in a discount code of SSM10 to get 10% discount. Okay, so what is plus subscription? Okay, the features involves India's best educator, interactive live classes, structured courses, and PDF live tests and quizzes. So India's best educator, interactive live classes, structured courses, and PDF live tests and quizzes are also there in iconic subscription. Plus you got personal coach, personalized test analysis, study planner, proprietary study material, all that. Okay, so in this one you can get the, so in this way you can get the subscription. You can get the subscription. Okay. Okay, so guys, let us go on to MATLAB fundamentals here. Okay, so we are basically today dealing with control structure, control structures. Okay, so what are these control structures? Let us see what are these control structures. Okay, now whenever I write a program, my program control goes step by step, step by step. If you do not want this, that means if this step is done, you want third step to be completed first, and then you want first step to be completed after third step. So in this one we need a control structures. Okay, so the popular control structure or branching statements are branching statements are if else and switch statement and switch statement. Okay, so what are these? What are these? We will see. So these are looping statements. Okay, looping statement. So first of all is branching statements. Second is looping statement. Okay. So first of all we see branching statement. Branching statements. So what are branching statements? Okay. So in that one we will see if construct. First one is if construct. Okay. Let us see how it goes. Okay. So this is syntax is written as if conditional expression, conditional expression having relational and or okay, and or logical operators, logical operators. So bracket close. Okay, for example, if p is greater than q, or if p is less than q and c is greater than d. Okay, so the if construct have three structures. Okay, first one is if, and second one is if else, and third one is else if else, else if else and. Okay, so we'll see the construct diagrammatically. or rather say if and construct. If and construct. So in this way, in this one, the program flowchart will be like this. Okay. So if some expression, okay, if it is false, then go to the normal routing of program. If it is true, then we'll execute some statement. Suppose you need to put an arrow. So this is a construct. Okay. Syntax will be if conditional statement, conditional statement, okay, then I will say statement 1, statement 1, statement 2, then end, then next steps of the program. Okay, this is the if and construct. Let us now say that the if else and construct. If else and construct. So if expression is equal to true, then there is a false statement, or if this expression is false, then statement group 2, okay, statements group 1, then end. Statement group 1, then end. So this is the flow chart. Okay, how the program goes: if conditional expression then statement group 1 else statement group 2. Okay, so this is end like this. So this is construct for if else and statement. We'll see if else, sorry, if, okay, if conditional statement, that means whatever condition I am putting, if this is enclosed in a bracket before if operation, okay, and if its value is true, then immediately after the if statement the circuit will be opened or executed, commands will be executed, group 1. Else, if this statement is false, okay, statements group 1, sorry, group 2, like this end. Okay, now let us see if else, if else and end and construct. Okay, so how the thing will go? First of all, if statement, if statement, if this is true, so this statement is statement group 2, group 1. Okay, if it is false, then I will apply one more control structure, if else, okay, expression, if else I will involve. If this is true, I will write statement group 2, okay. If this is false, this again one condition, and it is true, again there is one more condition left. Okay, if this is false, statements group 3, group 3, and this is end of program. Group 2, statement group 4, sorry, group 2. Okay, so this will be equal to, after this all three group statement will end. Okay, let us see how you write down the construct. Okay, so first of all, if conditional statement conditional statement, so statements group 1, else if statements Group 1. Okay. Again we'll say else if statement group 2. Similarly, you go on increasing the group. There are 3 groups here, so I will say else if statement else if statements group 3. Okay. Then last part is end part, end the position program. So in this way there is a construct for all if statements, if constructs. There is a constructs for if constructs. Let us see new word, that is the switch case construct. Okay. Switch case construct. So in this way you write down switch expression okay, switch expression, okay, case expression or case into case, another variable expression on group 1, case expression case expressions 2. So statement group 2, group 2. Okay. Next one is case expression case expression 3. Okay, then statements group 3, otherwise statements group 4. हेलो सुनील सर बोल रहे हैं। Okay, group 4, then some calculation and then end. In this way you can write down switch case construct. Okay, then one another control structure is loop control. Loop control. Okay, there are two types of loops. One is unconditional loop. This will be unconditional loop. This will be conditional loop. Okay, example of this loop is what? Example is for loop. This is while loop. Okay, for example, for loop, the syntax is for index equal to expression statement one. Okay, statement one. So this is for loop. Okay, then we got statement n semicolon and the if statement next state. Okay, this is unconditional loop. Example, write a program to find sum of even numbers between 0 and 21 using for loop. For loop. Okay, so what will be the program? It will be sum equal to 0.0. for, I will say j is equal to 0 is to 2 is to 21. For even number, increment will be 2. Okay, from 0, if initial is 0, sum is equals to sum plus j. This is end and this is last word is sum. What it does, it displays the value of sum. It displays the value of sum. Okay. On next program, write a program to generate three-phase sinusoidal waveform. Sinusoidal waveform. Okay. So what is the example? This is example. So solution, or you can say program, will be how much? Okay. First of all, frequency is 50 Hertz. We'll take this. One counter will take, that is n equal to 1. Omega is equal to 2 into pi into t. Oh, sorry, f, 2 pi f. Phase angle phi is equal to pi by 2. Okay. So for t is equal to 0 is to 1 millisecond e raised to minus 3 up to 0.04. Okay. So v is equal to sine omega t star t, omega star t, I is equal to sine omega star t minus phi. Minus phi. Okay. Then x of n, sorry, x of tn is equal to t, x of vn is equal to x of vn is equal to v, then x of in is equal to I. That means instead of this, sampled network is considered. Okay. So n is equal to n plus 1. So values of n will go on increasing. Then end, then plot xt comma xv comma xt comma xi. Grade on. Grade on, like this. Let us see some hands-on. Let us see some hands-on on this. Okay, let us this open. Okay, so we'll take a new script file. Let us say f equal to 50 here. Okay, w equal to 2 star pi star f. This is w. Okay, phi equal to pi divided by 2. Okay, this is voltage, sorry, phase angle phi. Okay, for t equal to 0, initial value is 0, increment by 1 millisecond, e raised to minus 3. Okay, last value is 0.04. 0.04. This is the last one. This is a for loop. Okay. V is equal to sine of x star t. Sine of not x, that is w star t. V equal to this. I equal to sine of w star t minus phi. Okay. Then what we'll do, we'll say first value or nth value is equals to t. Okay. This is semicolon. xv nth value is equal to v. N values. Okay. xin value is equal to I is equal to I n equal to n plus and plot in bracket xt comma xv. Okay, xt comma xv comma xi in bracket, this is plot close grid on. Title plot of sine wave using for loop. Okay, x label is equal to time in second, y label is equal to voltage and current. Okay, let us save this program. Okay, 3 phase. Let us save into Unacademy folder. Okay, then save. Okay. Then we'll run it. See here, change path is desired. So what I will do is go to f colon Unacademy. Now I will run. Let us see what is the problem. So some error has occurred. We missed one initialization, n equal to 1. Now it will be okay. t with xt, then xt with again xi, like this. Read on. Plot of sine wave using sine wave, current and voltage. Current and voltage. So this is how you get the sine wave. Okay. 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 So next loop we have got is the while loop. Okay. Construct is like this: while conditional statement okay, or rather I will say conditional expression, conditional this is statement 1, then statement 2, oh sorry, statement end, then next statement. So if condition is true, all these statements will be executed, otherwise program will end. Okay, then next statement will be executed like this. This example we already solved, but we'll revisit this. We will revisit this. Okay. Example, sum is equal to, example is what? Find out sum of all digits, all integers. Okay, sum of all even integers between 1 and 31, sorry, 0 and 31. So first integer is 0 even, then 2, then 3, sorry, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23, 24, sorry, 26, 28, 30. Okay. between these two. So how you write down the program or solution or program? Okay. We will get sum is equal to 0 initialization while the number of n is is while number of n is greater than or rather less than 31, sum is equal to sum plus 1. Okay, then increment the integer counter by 2 because it is a even number. Then write the end statement and then sum. So let us see how it will appear in our hands-on example. We will see again, give the extract, sorry, take out the script file. Okay, sum equal to 0, sum equal to 0 while n is less than 31. Okay, while n is less than 31, sum equal to sum plus n. Okay, n equal to n plus 2 plus. Okay, end and then sum. Sum e1, sum e1 1. Okay, so let us debug this. Sum was 0, so 0 plus n. So sum is equals to 240. We have to initialize n counter also. So sum equal to, okay, sum plus 0. So this is Okay. Okay. These are some of the example of while loop in this. So let us see some more examples on MATLAB. So suppose there are three vendors. Okay. Three vendors from which you want to purchase some items. Okay. Items are bolt, screw, nut and bracket. Okay. Amount or quantity of items: 3 items of bolt, 5 screws, 2 nuts, 1 bracket. Mass: vendor A, 3.5 gram, 1.5 gram, 0.79 gram, 1.75 gram. Mass: vendor B, 2.98 gram, 1.75 gram, 1.25 gram, 0.25 gram. Mass: vendor C, 2.50 gram, 1.60 gram, 0.99 gram, 1.6 gram, 1.25 gram. Okay. This is per amount. Mass is per amount. So if you want to find out total mass, you have to multiply amount into mass for particular vendor. Okay. So 5 steps, as we know: state the problem, problem. Okay, what is the problem statement? What is the problem statement? Find total mass for each other, each vendor, sorry, each vendors. Okay. Second is input. Second A part is input. Number of each item, mass of each item, each vendor, okay. What is the output? Output is equal to total mass. Output is equal to total mass. Okay. Step 3, hand example. Step 3, hand example. What I say is item, this is amount, bolt, amount is 3, screw, amount is 5, nut, amount is 2, bracket, amount is 1, mass, this is total, mass is equal to 3.5 gram, 1.5 gram, 0.7 gram, 1.75. Say 1.5 gram, 1.58 gram, 1.75 gram. Okay, so total is equal to 21.33 gram. 21.33 gram. Let us do hands-on for this. Hands-on example. Let us find a script file. Okay. First of all, clear all, then CLC, item is equal to, what was the item? 3 bolts, 5 screws, 2 nuts and 1 bracket. Mass equals to 3.5 space 2.98 space 2.50 space 1.5 space 1.75 space 1.6 space. Okay, this is 2.50. After that there is a semicolon. 1.6 there is a semicolon. 0.79 space 1.25 space. From each vendor. First is for first vendor, second is for second vendor, third is for third vendor. 1.25 space 0.99 semicolon 0.99 semicolon underscore 1.75 space 0.95 space 1.25. This is mass. Okay. Item star mass. Okay. Item star mass. Okay. So this much is the value. I will say save it vendors like that, and then see, yeah, isn't it? So this is total mass for first vendor, total mass for second, total mass for third vendor. Let us see 3521. Okay, mass is 3.5, 1.51. This is 0.75. This is a mistake we have done. Okay, just check this. This is 0.79. Okay, then 1.75, 0.95, 1.25. Okay, enter. Okay, 21.33 was our hand calculation. 21.14, 18.7300. 7300. Okay, so this is how you solve the problem. Okay, so these are some matrix operation we need to perform. Matrix example we need to perform. Okay, there are a lot more example. Okay, we will take some of the example. Let us see one more example. Okay. Consider the value of x for the following function. What is value of x for the following function? X equal to y square plus 2 whole square y square. For the values of y varying from minus 0.4 to 4 to 4 with increment of 0.5. Solve the problem by creating a vector of y. So let us see a solution. Okay, function is given for values of y, so y will be equal to minus 0.4, sorry, this is not is to 0.4 is to 0.5 is to 4. Okay, then you calculate x is equal to y dot cap 2 plus 2 dot cap square star y dot cap 2. In this way you will find the answer, simple answer. Let us see hands on. Y equal to minus 0.4 is 2.5 is to 4. Okay, then x is equal to, in bracket, y dot cap 2, okay, plus 2 in bracket plus 2 in bracket, what is the value, dot cap 2 dot cap 2 y dot star 2 plus 2 dot cap 2 star y dot cap 2. Why not say dot star? Why not say dot star? So y dash, I will say y dash space x dash. Okay, in this way you will get the plot. You will get the value of plot. Okay, let us do another example. A is equal to 1.1, 0.2, 1.3, 0.3, 1.2, 4.5, 2.1, minus 0.6, 22, minus 1.0, 3.19. Okay, you need to determine A1 comma semicolon B A colon comma and C A2 2 colon and D A1 is to 2 comma 2 is to 4 E A1 is to 2 3 is to n. F A of 5 G A of 1 comma 2 sorry A of 1 space 2 comma 2 space is the value you have to find out. So one by one we will find out what is the value. What is the value we will find out one by one. So one by one. Okay. So A is equal to 1.1 space 0.3 space 2.1 space 2.2 semicolon 0.2 space 1.2 space minus 0.6 space minus 1 semicolon 1.3 space 4.5 space 3 space 3.1 space 3.1. So this is the A matrix. This is A matrix. We need to find out first of all A1 comma semicolon. Okay, oh sorry. Yeah, A1 comma semicolon. 1, that means first row all columns. So first row all columns will be there. Next A colon comma and this is colon not semicolon. Okay, colon comma end all rows and end column, end is fourth column. Okay, so this is the value. Now you determine A 2 rows second row end column, second row end column. So should be -1? No. All columns second row. All columns second row. Or rather second row up to end column. Up to end. Second up to end. Okay. Next you want to find out A of A colon 3 colon and A1 colon 2 3 colon and. So 4 values you will get. Next you want to find out A1 colon 2 A1 colon 2 comma 2 colon 4 2 colon 4. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, next one is you want to find out A5 one value 1.12345. Okay, so next you want to find out 1 space 2 comma 2 space 2. Okay, this is the value. This is the value. Okay, in this way you can find out the values. Let us solve some more example, 1 or 2 more example. Okay, create the following okay vectors. Let us see a row vector having elements 25, 5, 0, 79, x square, sine pi by 3, 12.15. B column vector having element 5, 0, 45 minus cos 2 pi by 3, e raised to 2.4, 2 raised to 2.3. Okay, so let us do hands on simple CLC. I will write down a row vector R is equals to 25 space 5 space 0 space 79 space x dot cap 2 space, or rather I will say x cap 2 space sine pi by 3, okay, space 12.15. In this only one problem is there. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? So for that we put x equal to 2, okay, then this is the value, this is the value, okay. Column vector C is equal to 5 semicolon 0 semicolon 45 semicolon cos of 2 star pi divided by 3 semicolon exp 2.4 exp 2.4 again semicolon 3.2 again semicolon ln4, okay. Okay, let us see. ln is not, it is simply log 4, okay. Next simple example is okay, create a row vector with first and last elements as 1 and 100 respectively with an increment of to find total number of elements in it. So how to do it? Just see how to do it. So we want to find out, so x equal to 1 star 2 star 100, enter x transposes from 0 to 99. So length L equal to LENGTH of 50 elements are there. How many elements? 50 elements are there. Okay, 50 elements are there. Let us move on. Okay, to another example. Okay, Okay. So next example. Okay. Function is given xp is equal to p cube plus p square minus p plus 1 divided by p square plus p plus 2 for minus 5 raised to p raised to. So you have to plot the function. Plot the function. Okay. So we'll say f is equal to, sorry, first of all, p is equal to minus 5, 0.1, then plus 5. Okay. Then f equal to bracket p, sorry, p dot, this was I think small p dot cap 3, p dot cap 3 plus p dot cap 2 plus, sorry, minus p plus 1 slash p dot cap 2 plus p plus 2. So for so p equal to minus 5 first we'll say, then n equal to 0.01. So first of all 0. Okay. While p is less than 5, Okay. FP equal to PQ plus P square minus P plus 1 in bracket slash E cap 2 plus P plus 2 bracket. Okay. P equal to P plus 0.1. Okay. This is end. Okay. So this is all our programs for today. Okay. So thank you very much for today's session. Okay. So before closing on how to unlock a free plan on Unacademy, just go to Unacademy Learning app, go to daily interactive live classes, click on your goal, that is GATE and ESC. You will get many videos related to GATE and ESC. Okay. Just select any one video course. Okay. Click on that. You will be prompted for an invite code. Okay. Put an invite code of SSM 10 and then unlock. Okay. That course will be unlocked for reviewing. Okay. So guys, thank you very much. Like us, comment on our contents. Okay, comment us, like us, subscribe us, hit the bell icon for further notification. Use my code SSM10. Don't forget that, and join our Telegram channel for updates on upcoming videos. So let's get it. Yes, this is Sunil Manjani signing off for today. Okay.